Hello children, today I have friends with me, Winnie and Tiger. Say hi to them. Hi. Very good children. Now let's shake a body. Come on, dance to the tune. Workout is a boon. We are healthy soon. So, let's start the rhyme. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let us all march. Get your body charged. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Jump, jump, jump. Let's all jump. Make your muscle pump. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Children, you must be thinking, why ma'am was singing that rhyme? Any guess? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn about parts of the body. We are having different parts of the body and each body part having different uses. Children, let's start with the head. This is our head. These two are our eyes. How many eyes we have? 1, 2. With the help of eye, we can see. These two are our ears. With the help of ears, we can hear. Oh, what's that smell? We can smell with the nose. Yes, this is our nose. This is our mouth. What is there inside? These are our teeth. We can eat with the teeth. Now what is this, children? These are our shoulder. Yes, these are our shoulders. This is our chest. Chest. Now what is this? This is our bread basket. Stomach. This is our stomach. Now children, tell me, what is this? These are our hands. How many hands we have? We are having 2 hands. 1, 2. This is our elbow. These are our fingers. How many fingers we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are having 10 fingers. Children, do you know our body parts having different kinds of work? Our hand help us to pick the things. Our hand help us to eat the food. Our hand help us to write ABCD. Our hand help us to hold the plant. Our hand help us to catch the ball. Children, these are the uses of hand. Hand help us to pick the things. Hand help us to write ABCD and numbers. Hand help us to hold the plant. Children, these two are our legs. This is thigh. This is knee. This is ankle. This is foot. And these are our toes. We are having 10 toes. Children, do you know what are the uses of leg? Yes, you are right. Legs help us to run. Leg help us to play. Legs help us to walk. Leg helps us to jump. Children, these are the uses of leg. Children, these are called the parts of the body, and each body part is important. Dear children, Winnie wants to play with you one game. Do you want to play? Yes? Say loudly. Yes, just like that. Are you ready? Yes? Winnie, are you ready? Yes? Let's start the game. Winnie says, touch your head. Children, touch your head. Yes. Winnie says, touch your eyes. Children, touch your eyes. Yes. Winnie says, touch your ear. Here? What is that, Minnie? No ear. Ears. Touch your ears, children. Yes. Winnie says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good, children. Children, play this game with Mama and Papa. Parents, kindly help the children to play this game. Now children, Winnie has to go. Say bye-bye to Winnie. Bye-bye. Winnie, say bye-bye to children. Bye-bye. Children, today let's start with a happy song. Do you want to sing with me? Yes? Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Na 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 na. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sing with me. Sing with me. Na 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 na. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hand. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na 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 na. I'm so happy. Oh, so with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. I know a song and it goes like this. Na 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 na. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Sing with me. Very good, children. Always be happy like this. Dear children, today we are going to learn about sense organ. Do you know what is sense organ? No? Okay, ma'am will tell you. We are having 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. How many sense organs? 5. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These sense organs having different uses. Children, let's start with the eyes. Tell me first, how many eyes we have? Yes, we are having 2 eyes. With the help of eyes, we can see beautiful things around us. You all like to watch cartoon, right? You are watching TV with the help of eye. Next one is ears. How many ears we have? 1, 2. With the help of ears, we can hear different sound. Like Mama is calling. With the help of ears, we can hear. Children, like dog is barking. Bow, bow. You are talking with your friends, listening to music. All those sounds we can hear with the help of ears. Next is nose. Mama is cooking yummy yummy food, right? With the help of nose, we are getting that yummy smell. You all like to eat yummy food, right? Huh? Children, with flower also we are getting smell. And chocolate smell. Huh? You all like chocolate smell? Yes? So children, all good smell, bad smell you are getting with the help of nose. What is this? This is our mouth. We have something inside. What is that? Tongue. This is our tongue. So, when Mama is cooking yummy food, that tasty food taste we are getting with the help of tongue. Now children, tell me, when you are eating chocolate, what taste you are getting? Yes, sweet smell. And when you are eating lemon, then? Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is our mouth. We are having something inside. What is that? Tongue. Mama is cooking yummy yummy food. That yummy taste we are getting with the help of tongue. Yummy. And children, tell me, you all like to eat chocolate, right? Yes? So, which taste you are getting? Yes, sweet taste. And when we are eating lemon, which taste? Sour taste. And with chilli, spicy. So children, with the help of tongue we can taste. Next one is skin. We are having skin all over the body. Yes? So with the help of skin we can feel. Children, what is this? Yes, teddy bear. When you touch the teddy bear, how are you feeling? Yes, soft, right? Now tell me, if you touch this plastic toy car, then yes, this is hard. So with the help of skin we can feel. Children, if somebody pinch you or somebody beat you, you will get pain, right? You will get that touch. Yes. So with the help of skin we can feel. Children, now tell me, how many sense organs we have? Yes, we are having 5 sense organs. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and touch. With the help of eyes we can see. With the help of ears we can hear. With the help of nose we can smell. With the help of tongue we can taste. With the help of touch we can feel. So these are our 5 sense organs. Dear children, let's sing one rhyme now. Do you want to sing with me? Yes? Say louder. More louder. Yes, just like that. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, start. On my face I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. On my face I have 2 eyes. It helps me to see. On my face I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. On my face I have 2 ears. It helps me to hear. On my face I have 1 nose. I have 1 nose. I have 1 nose. On my face I have 1 nose. It helps me to smell. On my mouth I have 1 tongue. I have 1 tongue. I have 1 tongue. On my mouth I have 1 tongue. It helps me to taste. On my body I have skin. I have skin. I have skin. On my body I have skin. It helps me to feel. Children, hope you like the rhyme. Children, let's do an activity. See here, we are having few pictures. What we are having this side? Yes, we are having 5 sense organs. And this side we are having few pictures. Now we are going to do matching. What we have to do? We have to match the picture with the related sense organs. Okay children? What is this? Eyes. With the help of eye we can see. So what will be the matching picture? Chocolate? No. Teddy bear? No. Flowers? No. Drum? No. What is that next one? TV. You all like to watch cartoons, right? So with the help of eye, we can see. Now ma'am is going to draw a line. like this. So next one is tongue. With the help of tongue, we can taste. So which will be the related picture? Yes, very good children. Chocolate. So, ma'am is going to draw a line to chocolate. What is the next one? Feel. Skin. With the help of skin, we can feel. So, which one will be the related picture? Flower? No? Teddy bear? Yes. With the help of skin, we can feel. Next one is nose. With the help of nose, we can smell. So, flower will be the related picture? Yes. Next one is ear. With the help of ear, we can hear. So, drum will be the matching picture? Yes. Children, did you enjoy the activity? Now tell me, if you are seeing some beautiful things, from which sense organs you are using? Yes, with the help of eyes. And if you are getting yummy smell, yes, with the help of nose, you are getting smell. And some loud sound, music sound, your friends are talking sound. From which sense organs you are using? Yes, with the help of ears. When you are having yummy sweet chocolate, that taste you are getting with the help of tongue. And if you are feeling something soft, which sense organ? Very good children. With the help of skin, you can feel. Children, let's do some writing practice. First take your 4-line notebook. Are you ready? Then let's start. Children, we are going to write the spellings of sense organ. Our first word is eyes. E-Y-E-S. We are going to write capital E. Capital E, we are going to write from red line to blue line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line, E. Next one is Y, standing line, small curve, go up and come down till red line. Then small curve, semicircle, small e. Then right within the blue line, small s. Eyes. Okay children? Next one is ears. E-A-R-S. Again capital E. Capital E start from the red line to blue line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Then small a. How to write small a? And which line to which line? Very good, children. Blue line to blue line. Semicircle, go up, come down, and small curve, A. Then R. R also blue line to blue line. Standing line, go up, small curve. Okay, children? Then S, small s. Ears. Next one is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. So, nose start from the letter N. Again, we are going to write from red line to blue line. Capital N. Standing line. Slanting line. Again, one more standing line. Letter N. Next is O, small o. Small o, we are going to write blue line to blue line. O. Then S, small s. Next is small e. Small curve, then semicircle. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Our next word is tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Tongue start from letter T. Again, red line to blue line, capital T. Sleeping line, standing line. Next is O, small o. Blue line to blue line. Next letter is N, small n. Which line to which line, children? Very good, children. Blue line to blue line. Standing line, small curve, come down. N. Then G. How to write G? Semicircle, go up, come down, G. We have to write G from blue line to red line. Next letter is U. Standing line, small curve, U. Next letter is small e. Tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Last word is skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Skin start from letter S. Capital S. Capital S, which line to which line, children? Yes, red line to blue line. S. Then small k. Standing line. Small k also from red line to blue line. Slanting line from blue line to blue line. Slanting line, one more slanting line. K. Then small I, small dot. Now children, tell me how to write small I. Yes, blue line to blue line. Standing line. Go up, small curve, come down. And skin. So these are our 5 sense organs. Which is the first one? Yes, eyes. E-Y-E-S. With the help of eyes, we can see. Next one is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. With the help of ears, we can. Good job, children. We can hear. Next one is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. With the help of nose, we can smell. This one, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. With the help of tongue, we can taste. Then last one is skin. S-K-I-N. With the help of skin, we can feel. So children, these are our 5 sense organs. Now you can also start practice reading and writing. Now it's bye bye time. Bye.